Good Monday morning. It's January the 13th, I believe. Yes, that's what's going on. And, and let's go outside, see what's. Are we sleeping? Yeah, sleep. Let's go outside. Not bad at all. Really nice. Here and this is what it looked like. Off season, so that's the best time of the year to travel. You got the whole park to yourself. Hey, he's not gonna come, that little chihuahua. Oh yeah, keep barking. Keep barking, buddy. Let me go get my coffee. And the fish is right here. That's a bad habit I have. I leave the keys in the door. I did it a bunch of times and I try to break this habit. I don't know why I do that, but try not to. Let's see. Let's go by the lake. It's right here, not too far. It's a little foggy today. This reminds me of my grandma village. Call it Talagang. My dad is from Chippewa, not too far. A little bitty village, and we used to go and grab those berries in the woods like that. Beautiful time. So that's where we are parked over there, right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. Right there is the lake now. It's beautiful. Nice day, but not sunny, but it's okay. There's one bird sitting over there. This is very nice and peaceful. I sure would like you to do it too, if you love this serenity and peace. Let's see. Let me show you the bird over there too. This is a tripod I bought. Pretty good. Bird is not even scared. Okay, folks. That's all she wrote. You can see the RV right over there. The bird is still sitting over there now. He got up. Let's catch him. In the flight. Beautiful. Now you have to excuse me. I want to sit over here and just look outside and be quiet. Goodbye. Oh yeah, let me show you. The water ain't too bad. It's clear. Not like Cedar Hill, that was the junky water. This is Lake Whitney.